Hey, everybody, it's Steve Baker with the Great Game of Business. And I got to tell you, I'm on the road a lot these days now that things are opening back up. And one thing I'm hearing is, what do you do about talent? How do you find them? How do you keep them? How do you keep people engaged in your culture? How do you create a sticky culture? And frankly speaking, I am asking our coaches and our community, what are you doing about it? And I was talking to Dave Skolton the other day, one of our top coaches, and he shared some of the unique things that people are doing. And I wanted to share something that I've created out of that conversation with you right now. Let's start with the reality. The economic reality of talent is that it costs money to replace people. According to the national statistics, we've got a median income in the U.S. of $50,000 to $70,000. I'm just going to use 50 as a kind of a conservative approach. You've got a 21% cost of replacement. That's about $10,500. And our average turnover right now over all industries is about 18%. Let's assume you have 50 employees and you make a net profit of 6.5 cents. That's what the average company in the US makes, bottom line. If you take all these numbers and put them together, now remember, a $50,000 person, 21% cost of replacement, that's $10,500. If you have 18% turnover, that's 9 people times 10,000, that's $94,500 in expense. Well, at 6.5 cent profit, though, that's $1.4 million in revenue. Holy mackerel. You could change your sales plan by $1.5 million just if you could retain your people. So here's the question. Let's just look at the conservative side. If it's $94,000, roughly $100,000 in expense just to replace the people that you're losing, the big question is this. If turnover is costing you $100,000, what else could you do with that money to reduce it? So the question comes in, are you creating a retention plan? Are you creating a unique value proposition, a recognition program, flex time, PTO? I mean, look, I don't know the answers. All I know is you now found yourself $100,000 to work with. So you've got to become the employer of choice. So what other hidden costs do you incur in replacing employees? The inconsistency with customer service, anything with your brand. What are you missing? You've got to sit down and with your leadership team, with your design team, figure out those things that are missing and add that to that $100,000. And you must become also the partner of choice. Talent isn't just employees. What about vendors, suppliers, and contractors? We've got a lot of different people out there, including their tradespeople and their contractors in their mini games, in their recognition and rewards programs, just to be the partner of choice and get their supplies, their work, their talent in first and foremost above everyone else. So that's the big idea for today. Wanted to share it with you, and I hope that you enjoy getting together with your team and figuring out how to hang on to your talent.